Good day, dear listeners. This is Pragya. Sorry for coming so late, but I had to come. Today podcast is not about a general topic. It's a request. As many of you know, the NEET and JEE exams are going to be conducted in September. For JEE, 11 lakh students are appearing, and it has to happen between 1 to 6 of September. And for NEET, 18 lakh students will be appearing, and it's on 13th of September. So many students and parents have pleaded to government for postponing the exam, but Supreme Court dismissed the plea by saying that precious education year cannot be wasted. But the question is that now, can we compromise on students' safety and their security amid this COVID situation? There are higher chances of them getting the infection. Even if you take utmost precautions at the examination center, there are higher chances of getting crowded before and after the examination. How will you take care of that? So we have to take care of our students. We have to ensure that they are safe and they are secure. The biggest example is the KEAM exam in Kerala, where 2 students were tested positive for corona in spite of taking all necessary precautions. Now many people will say that children will not get infection, or children are not highly susceptible to this disease, but children are the great carrier of this COVID infection. They can pass on this disease to their parents, to their grandparents. Many families in India, they live in a joint family. So the students who are appearing for the exam, they can act as a carrier and they can pass the infection to their immediate family members. There is a wide speculation that a major coaching lobby is also working behind it. I have seen the tweet from the vice chancellor of a premier institute in Kota, and later he deleted the tweet. In that tweet, he mentioned that the students have to appear for their JEE and NEET exams, and they have to be prepared. The exams are not going to be postponed. So many students will be coming from small villages to their nearby city centers. It's a human tendency that they will reach one day before. Then they have to look for nearest lodge, hotels, or even parks near their center. But in this corona situation, how they will manage this? And COVID is not the only reason to appeal for postponing this exam. There is also another condition. There is a flood-like condition in Bihar, Assam, and other northeast regions. And West Bengal will also be facing a total lockdown. You have already seen the condition of Rajasthan and Maharashtra in this rainy season. The roads are full of potholes, they are flooded. How students will go to their centers? This is the main question. If the center is 100 to 100 kilometers far away, how they will reach there without public transport? How government will ensure their safety in public transport? I got a message from a student from West Bengal. She was telling me that her father is a diabetic. He has various health issues, and in that situation, if she appears for the exam, there are higher chances of her passing the infection to her father. So we have to think about all this situation. It is very easy to say, there are few lazy students who are just telling to postpone exams. It's not like that. There are so many brilliant students who have worked whole year for these exams, but they are also asking to postpone these exams for our future generation, because it is life versus career. When this situation is there, we always have to choose life. We have to put the life first. So this is just a request to government. Please postpone JEE and NEET exam, because life is the most important thing. And amid this situation, where on an average, on a daily basis, India is getting 63,000 new cases, we have to take this decision. Thank you so much. Please keep listening to our podcast for more informative updates, and share if you like. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.